Hi guys, Brendan here with 3V Gear. Today I want to show you what's in my bag. This is my IFAK, or Individual First Aid Kit. It's based on the 3V Gear Large Medic Pouch. I chose this pouch because of its durability, its MOLLE compatibility, and its internal organization. So let me open this up and I can show you what I carry. So I carry this bag all the time with me. When I'm hiking, it's in my car. When I'm traveling, I have one just like it attached to my bug out bag at home. So in case any emergency comes up and I'm not close to medical attention, I can take care of myself. So the first thing in my bag is a tourniquet. If I'm bleeding from an appendage and I need to get it stopped quickly, this is great to have, especially since it can be operated one-handed. Next up, have some trauma shears in case I need to cut bandages out of my clothes or cut gauze strips to address wounds. Next up, I have some Clux. This is hemostatic agent. It helps clot wounds, so I have a couple of those. I also have a couple of sterile compress. I have a couple of sterile pads. For larger wounds, I have a clotting sponge. Then over here, I have waterproof tape in case I need to wrap gauze, make sure that it's going to stay attached to me. I also have gauze wrap. For smaller nicks and cuts, I have liquid bandage because it's a wound closure and antiseptic in one. And then back here, I have my little bag of goodies. In here, I have several different size bandages. I have ibuprofen, burn gels, individual antibiotic ointments, some benzene compound, sting relief, pretty much all your standard first aid kit stuff. And then lastly, on the interior here, I have a pair of gloves. If I'm in a situation where I've fallen, my hands are dirty, I want to make sure that I don't get anything in my wounds, so I can slap these on. Or if I'm with somebody, I want to make sure I'm safe, I'm dressing their wounds with my hands covered. And then lastly, up front here, in a Velcro pouch. I don't know about you guys, I hate splinters. They really suck. So I have some splinter outs. If you haven't heard of these are great. They're individually packaged, sterile splinter removers. So you don't have to use those dull tweezers, or you're not sticking yourself with your pocket knife and hoping that you're not getting yourself infected. So check those out if you haven't already. So that's what I have in my bag. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.